Welcome to you, our channel, Pacific Global Technologies, 40 word per minute shorthand practice. The recent rains in cities such as New Delhi, Mumbai, and in the states of Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand caused heavy flooding, throwing life out of gear. Full stop. Even as such hardships are becoming a regular feature, they capture newspaper headlines and television debates only for a few days, comma, where the underlying challenges of climate change, human greed, comma, improper urban planning, comma, pollution, and the scan regard for sustainable values are given the customary lip service. Full stop. More importantly, the blame is को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए